I no go fit betray Yahaya Bello, na like papa to me. Ododo, welcome to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification. Make you also like, comment, and share our videos. Politics, they say, na about loyalty and interest. And now from that template, now the governor of Kogi State, Usman Ododo, when he succeed Yahaya Bello, don't come out to talk, say he not go ever betray Yahaya Bello, him predecessor. Ododo they talk this one on Friday, after he pay courtesy visit to Abdullahi Ganduje, National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, and members of the National Working Committee for the party headquarters for Abuja. The governor expressed profound gratitude for the leading role Bello played for his political rise. He said, in loyalty to am, he dey rock solid. He can't talk say any river when he forget in source go soon dry up. He say in oga Alhaji Yahaya Bello na like father to am. He say they not born am with a silver spoon. He say where Bello pick am from and how God use am to take elevate am, e go remain fresh for a memory. He go never therefore forget where he come from. He say he not go ever betray am. He say when you see pikin when he dey vex for him papa, he say that pikin not be pikin again. He say he not be that kind of person. He can't appeal to those when they perceive any tension between him and Bello to intervene. He say if he get angry with am as a father, he say if you observe or you get a feel say my boss dey angry with me, just go beg am on my behalf. But as far as him dey concerned, he say he no go ever betray am. Na so the governor come conclude.